Hey guys, it's Friday. Time for the end of the week wrap up. Been pretty busy this week. Worked on Bob's COE. We got his fenders mounted. We chose to do a dual fender setup to just give it something a little bit different. It is mounted to the axle, so it goes up and down with the tires, so we're able to keep a nice tight spacing between the fender and the tire. So that's coming along. It's still going to get some aluminum, a little dimple die, and hid the taillights in behind it. But it's going to be neat. So we worked on that. We got the two fenders set up. And Frank's car, worked on Frank's car here. We got the disc brakes in. And basically we're kind of at a stop for a moment, but we're getting there. Got the front brakes done. Got all the parts painted for the 4-link. All those pieces are ready to go. All ready for the rear to be hung, waiting for some wheel studs so we can get the axles in, the brakes on, and so on. So making some good headway there. And Danny's, we blocked Danny's out completely, and this is its 3rd prime. It'll be the final blocking, and this will probably be ready for paint next week sometime. So making good headway on that. Coming along good. If the first 2 blocks were fantastic, no problems. So we're just kind of into that final blocking. So we're looking good. So you guys have a good week, be safe, and we'll see you next week.